Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is the second video of the third chapter of your syllabus Yoga and Lifestyle. In the last video, we had a discussion on yoga, lifestyle, and the common problem of today's world is obesity. Types of obesity, effects, symptoms, preventions. Students, there are some asanas by which we can prevent obesity. First asana is Vajrasana, then Hatasana, Trikonasana, and Ardha Matsyendra Asana. In the online class, we will discuss in detail about the asanas. The next disease is diabetes. It is really very dangerous condition. If it is not controlled, it can be leads to lose of vision, cardiovascular diseases. It is a disorder of carbohydrate metabolism characterized by high blood sugar level and presence of oxygen in urine. Most of the food we eat is broken down into glucose, and this glucose is in the form of sugar in our blood. With the help of hormone insulin, cells throughout our body absorb glucose and use it for energy. When our blood does not make enough insulin or is not able to use insulin effectively or both, then we became victim of diabetes. Further, diabetes is divided into three types. First one is, in this type of diabetes, our body does not produce insulin. Type 2 diabetes, in this type of diabetes, our body does not produce adequate amount of insulin for proper functioning of our body. And in type 3, in this type of diabetes, due to very high level of glucose in the blood of some women and their babies became unable to produce enough insulin for proper functioning of body. Some symptoms of diabetes: unusual weight loss, skin infection, blurry vision, redness in gums, increased fatigue, feeling very thirsty and hungry, and nausea. Then causes of diabetes: stress, obesity, high blood pressure, depression, family history, smoking, sleeping too little or too much, drinking too much alcohol. Now, prevention of diabetes: do regular exercise, eat healthy food, lose excess of our body weight, try to quit smoking, say no to junk foods, eat slowly, and say no to sugary drinks like cold drinks and all. Asanas by which we prevent diabetes: Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, Pavanmuktasana, and Ardha Matsyendra Asana. We will discuss in details in the online class about the asanas. The next problem is asthma. Asthma. It is the disease of lungs in which the airway became blocked or narrow, causing difficulty in breathing. In asthma, the airways also swell up and produce extra amount of mucus. The excessive amount of mucus in the passage further narrows the airways because it is sticky and thick. For some people, it can be minor, whereas for others, it can be major problem. Symptoms of asthma: coughing, chest tightness, shortness of breath, or wheezing. Some causes of asthma is air pollution, stress, allergy, depression, respiratory infection, cold and flu, obesity, and heredity. Next one is prevention of asthma. Self-care, monitoring breathing, following an action plan, take regular medicine, limited exercise, and using asthma inhalers. Some asanas by which we prevent asthma. First is Sukhasana, second is Gomukhasana, Parvatasana, Bhujangasana, and Matsasyasana. So this is for all, and in detail about these asanas by which we can prevent diseases of obesity, diabetes, and asthma. We will discuss about these in details in the online class on Friday. Thank you. God bless you all.